Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today I am going to be unboxing the Lark 2 wireless lavalier microphone. I got this on Amazon for about $130. So I've been needing just like a nice, good quality, discreet little mic. Ooh. Okay, so it has a little manual here. Look at that. How cute! Okay, so looks like this. Very nice. Wow. Okay, it comes with a little casing, which I love. I love that you can just have everything all in one little box here. And cute. Okay, so you can see that it comes with two little button microphones here. Wow, it's so tiny. It's as big as my eye. Comes with two little thingies here. It's magnetic. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, that's right. So this little back piece here is magnetic. So oh my gosh. You know, okay, I had a funny thought. Maybe I could like clip it to my ear. I could I could clip it to my ear. It's gone. Like you would not even know I had a microphone. That's pretty funny. Okay, so cool. It has a little receiver here. So here we have, oh okay, so this one connects to like the older iPhone and then this one connects to the newer iPhone. It has a little cute Hollyland baggie. This little lanyard here, you put it around your neck. I can wear it around my neck and just connect. Bing! Bada bing, bada boom. Oh my gosh. Wow, lovely. Very nice. Oh, cute. The only thing I'm scared of is, since this piece is very tiny, I'm scared it could get lost. But I wonder... Okay, so it can connect to the little lanyard with or without the tiny magnetic piece. So if you're not really used to holding like really small things, then I don't think this is something that you'll be comfortable with. It's like a wind, I forgot what it's called. You know it, I'm gonna do. And it could be my earrings. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let me just stop. Okay, this is kind of cute. Gosh, I love it. Okay, first we need to test out if it's good or not. One more thing in here. Okay, perfect. It has a connector to the receiver and also to connect to the camera. And a little charger, USB charger here. Ooh, okay, so these are actually little clips. So we can connect it and we could clip. Should I even upload this video? I'm like so clumsy. It clips onto your shirt too if you need. Okay, so one thing I noticed with these is you do have to charge a lot of little pieces. So you have to charge that piece. Aside from this whole box here, the 3 pieces here that you could just charge by itself. But all these other stuff, if you want to add on, you do have to charge this extra piece on the side, which it's not a huge problem, but it would be nice just to have everything all in one box. But to make it really nice and very sleek, easy, then I think this is fine too. Okay, here is the mic. I think it's on. I think it's working. I'm testing out the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone. And here is the microphone on my ear, nowhere to be seen. Okay, so here is the test far away. I am going to kind of just go to the other side of the room right here and still testing it out. It is right where my chest is. So, yeah, I think it's pretty good. So here it is with the mic on my shirt. I feel like it is important to have the mic facing upwards and not away. So overall, I feel like this mic is really cute, very dainty, and very small. So I feel like for people who like to hold onto their mics while they're talking, this one might be a little on the smaller side. It would be nice if it had like a longer piece to kind of hold on to if you are planning to hold on to it. But this is more of something where you want it to be discreet. It's still clear, it still cancels out the noises around, which is great. I really do like the fact that it can connect on my phone or connect to my camera and different devices like that. So I do appreciate that little aspect of it, so that's why I got it. So if I wanted to use my phone to record or my camera to record, I have the flexibility to do that. I'm going to try out these little sticker things. There's a whole bunch of stickers that come with it, and so cute. I love how it has just yellow emojis, colorful emojis, or just a plain black and white. So since my my mic is white, I think I'm gonna do a white just to make it effortless. So I put the white sticker right on it, and yeah, it looks really cool, really nice. So I definitely will make use of this thing, and yeah, thank you all for tuning in. My cute little channel here, still growing, but I am glad and happy you guys are all here supporting me and my channel. So definitely give me a subscribe and a like, so that you guys can be posted on when I post my videos next. Again, thank you all so much for being here, and Happy New Year's!